Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some profits and commissions have recently come in. And my commissions on the right hand side here, you'll see are a total of $31.80. So I'm live here in my members area. More important, this video, I want to show you around the OLSP system and how you can get one link. It's called the mega link, and you can get one link, promote one link, and you can earn up to 7 income streams. And I'll just show you some proof here of the commissions. I'm going to go into commissions, your commissions, and I'll just blur out the members' information for privacy. But you'll see here, in this row here, these are the amounts, and this is tier 1. There are 2-tier commissions available for upgrade. You don't have to upgrade to become successful. That's totally optional and not compulsory. But you'll see here, these are the dates. I started promoting on the 6th of December. So far, 2 out of the 7 income streams, 1 mega messenger, and the rest are for the mega link. What I like about this system, it's perfect for beginners, and it's really perfect for everybody from beginners to intermediate marketers to advanced. And if we go into the commission generator, I'm just sort of finding my way around this system, so just bear with me. I'm quite new to it. But what I really like about this is the marketing materials, the resources that Wayne, the owner, has created. Promote live events. So watch this video to see how to earn commissions by promoting our live trainings and products. This is a 14-minute video by the owner, Wayne, and promote evergreen offers. So watch this video to see how to earn commissions by promoting. So he trained you on every aspect of how to become successful with the mega link. Nothing's left to chance. He gives you all the affiliate links here. So, and if you look at the marketing materials, I'll just show you now exactly what you're going to get with this system. So first of all, you're going to get a done for you lead capture page. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. This is why it's great for beginners that maybe haven't got the skills to be able to do that, or haven't got the time to do that as well. So very professional marketing materials and resources. And then when prospects put their email into there, they get taken to a free video tour. So it's also the resources are absolutely superb. So let's just have a look. He also follows up with emails for you as well. So you don't even need an autoresponder to become successful with this system. So this is the mega link, 1 side hustle and 1 link, 7 income streams. So this is Wayne Crowe. Wayne is the owner. Wayne is from the Midlands in the United Kingdom where I'm from. And he's an 8-figure earner. He's been online now for several years, and he's made over $10 million online as an affiliate marketer. So he's really at the top of his game. He knows exactly what he's doing. And he wants to help everybody succeed online, from beginners to intermediates to advanced marketers. So you pay a one-time $7. There's no monthly membership costs. And then what you get with this system, we'll just scroll past the testimonies. Let's just see here exactly what you're going to get. So if you feel like nothing's working for you, this is Wayne. So he said it cost him $250,000 in 4 years to build the mega link. And he says it does incredible things. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. But here's what you're going to get. So when you pay your $7, you'll log into the OLSP system and you're going to get your affiliate link waiting for you. You're going to get all the training you need to share your mega link and start making good money online. All you have to do is share the link in the ways that I teach you. So trainings at all different levels, trainings for beginners, for intermediates. Let's go past the commissions. He's got the Facebook group, which I'll come to shortly, and there's 140,000 members within the Facebook group. And then let's just see here, further down here, past some more testimonies. There's a video testimonies on there of real members. And that's really what you're going to get. So let's have a look inside the Facebook group, created by Wayne himself. So live trainings are in here. Let's have a look at Wayne. Where is he? He's down here somewhere. Here he is, live. So he does live trainings within the Facebook group, and he's very, very interactive within the Facebook group. He's also got a support team. There's a lot more to this system than what I'm showing you on here. You've got members in there becoming successful. Some people like myself, brand new. Some people just getting going. Lots of testimonies on here, and really someone here generating more and more commissions. So a very active Facebook group, which is what I like. It's good for new people as well that want some help, support and training. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. Or first of all, I'd like to mention the income disclaimer in the description. So we're not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. Just showing you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP System as a member and promote it as an affiliate. But if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube journey. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will take you to give you access to this free video tour. So I recommend that you just go and meet Wayne, and he'll speak to you on here. This is about a 13 minute video on here, and then you can meet Wayne Crowe, the owner, and he'll explain exactly what the mega link is all about, and get some more information there to decide as to whether this is for you or not. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.